Hi, in front of me is OPPO A95 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, scroll down to Access Apps. Then tap on Default Apps and select one of those sections. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, just tap on your different app, in my case Opera. And when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!